John Muir has been to the club once in the last 4 weeks. Just spending as much time as you can with him in the job.
Cool, isn't it?
So the 1st of September next year,
He didn't mean to shoot you.
so every September 1st.